We have studied in detail how to create and edit a website with Elementor. And we installed and used many Elementor add-on plugins. For some people it will be difficult to choose. As far as I am concerned, I have selected the most recommended add-on plugins. But this does not mean that you have to install all of these plugins. It is recommended to select 2 or 3 essential plugins among them. You should be careful, installing too many plugins can cause performance issue. These plugins are the ones we've been treated once. Let me explain with the main components of each plugin. Let's get started. The first plugin is the Element Kit Lite. This plugin is essential if you want to create your own header, footer and mega menus. There are posts, icon box, counter, progress bar and tab components provided by default. No doubt about it. It's a perfect design. There are some complete page design like a theme. It is a significant advantage. We are able to change a web page design without changing current theme. It is a wonderful plugin that provides beautiful components in the free version. It is the most recommended plugin. The second one is the premium add-on for Elementor. It's probably, I've shown the most. The post, slider, counter, progress bar, components, have good designs. It has many decent components, but they don't provide complete page design. The third one is the essential add-on for Elementor plugin. The advantage of this plugin is that it provides some unique components. A function to display CSV data as a table. And a news ticker. A calendar to manage schedule. Image gallery with pop-up slider. Post grid and many other components. This plugin has a function to disable unused components. It's a great option, it helps to improve performance. For some people, tables and calendars may be quite useful. The fourth one is Unlimited Elements for Elementor. This plugin is optional among the plugins introduced today. If you do not want to purchase paid components, I do not recommend it. The free components design is so bad except full screen mobile menu button and image slider. You should install individual component for using. The design is bad, but if it has the features you need, use it. The fifth one is the Height Mega plugin. The overall design quality is better than average. The advantage of this plugin is that it provides a variety of components. It provides almost everything we need. Basic progress bar, accordion, counter, and post grid. They also have unique style sliders. There are a table and a vertical timeline. A login form is also provided. Off canvas. Modal pop-ups. Tooltips. Menus. and pop-up events are available. This plugin also provides enabling components option. It's good for site performance. The sixth plugin is the Orbit Fox. As you can see, only 6 component widgets are available. Moreover, the design is very poor. You may be weird why this plugin is on the recommended list. Go to the template directory of Orbit Fox. The reason why, it provides quite a number of complete page templates with beautiful design. Select a template, import and use it. We can easily create a well-designed landing page. The seventh plugin is Master Add-ons for Elementor. This plugin provides a variety of luxuriously designed components. This is a very useful plugin. Beautiful accordion, tab, tooltip, post design. The timeline is nice too. Table, post grid. Menus and searches are also provided. It offers a few complete page designs. It is a very attractive plugin because it provides header and footer sections. The last one is the Header and Footer Builder plugin. This plugin is essential when you don't want to use default header and footer provided by theme. You can install and use if you want to make some new headers and footers with Elementor Builder. Watch the previous video on how to use this plugin. Personally, I prefer the Element Kit Lite and Master add-ons for Elementor. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.